Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch the clock face on your Apple Watch. This is a quick and easy process, whether you're doing it directly on your watch or through your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, to wake up your Apple Watch, simply raise your wrist or tap the screen. Once your watch is awake, firmly press and hold the current watch face. This will bring you into the customization mode where you can change your watch face. In this mode, you can swipe left or right to browse through the available watch faces on your Apple Watch. Once you find the one you like, just tap on it to select it. After that, press the digital crown to confirm and set the new watch face. Now, you've successfully switched your watch face, and it's as simple as that. If you're looking for even more options, you can also change your watch face using the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Just open the app, tap on Face Gallery, and you'll see a wide range of watch faces to choose from. Once you've picked your new favorite, simply sync it to your watch. Keep in mind, while your Apple Watch itself only lets you swipe through a few faces, the iPhone app offers many more choices to personalize your experience. And that's all it takes to switch up your Apple Watch clock face. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.